Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an E92 M3 battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. You'll need a 10mm socket and wrench for this task. The battery is conveniently located in the trunk, usually on the right-hand side, making it easily accessible for removal. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative post, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery. Once that's done, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, again using your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the cable. With the terminals disconnected, our next step is to remove the battery's hold-down clamp. You'll find this clamp securely fastened at the base of the battery. Grab your 10mm socket and carefully loosen, and remove the bolt that secures it. Once the bolt is out, gently lift the hold-down clamp away. This small but important component ensures your battery stays firmly in place, preventing any movement while you're driving. Finally, with everything disconnected and the clamp removed, you can carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be aware that these batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing between 40 and 50 pounds, so lift with care. Before installing your new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.